We want people to think about and understand the potential costs associated with a drunk driving arrest. The costs are enormous, and in the end we've estimated that an average first-time DUI can cost a person as much as $19,000.
We're going to be out doing roadside safety checks, seatbelt enforcement zones, and just speed patrols, distracted driving patrols, all these things. And the way we're going to accomplish that is by taking our people, putting them in the areas where we know there's more traffic, where these things are occurring, and try to target our enforcement efforts. In this case, it's very important, especially during the later hours, because seatbelt use is up during the daytime, but we're still finding that later night, early morning hours after dark, the seatbelt use goes down, especially with alcohol use. And then if somebody's involved in a crash, it's more likely to be a fatality at that point.